Hey there, I'm Trey Serna and welcome to HISD Now, bringing you the latest news, stories, and updates from HISD. It is Wednesday, September 24th. Well, this week on HISD Now, we're highlighting Waltip High School, where the campus culture is buzzing with positivity and progress. Now, after jumping from a D to a solid B in their latest accountability ratings, you can't deny these students and teachers are more motivated than ever to keep climbing. Like algebra teacher Patricia Duhart, we talked to her about how she and her team are contributing to that growth and success. I also talked to two students who say Waltip is preparing them for their senior year and life after high school. Check out this brand new story just uploaded to our channel. And you can see the other stories on Waltip in this playlist. Just look for the one labeled Waltip High School. And next week, we're heading to Edison Middle School and bringing you stories from and about their school. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss it. And continuing to highlight success in HISD, get this, an HISD graduate could soon become the first woman on the moon or even Mars. Now, her name is Anna Menon, and she's among the newest class of NASA astronaut candidates. She went to Barbara Bush Elementary, Shadowbriar, and Revere Middle Schools, and then to Westside High School. You can check out her story on KHOU's website. We also linked it for you on our Facebook and X pages. And celebrating even more success in HISD, check it out.
What's up, Coach?
The Houston Texans made a surprise visit to Westbury High School to surprise Coach Jarvis Kelly with a very special honor. Take a listen.
So the reason why we're here is we got a very special person we want to recognize. Guys, give it up for Coach Kelly! Give it up for Coach. So guys, Coach, on behalf of the Houston Texans and Houston Methodists in your district, we want to recognize you, Coach, as our Coach of the Week. Congratulations, sir.
Coach Kelly got a signed certificate from the Houston Texans head coach, a game ball, and a check for $2,500 that'll go directly toward the school's football program.
Real quick, really proud of you. Really proud of the work that you all are putting in. Remember when he first took over this program and where it started to where it is now. Been a truly blessing. He's been working really hard. He's been feeding you all a lot of good and positive things, and you've been displaying that by the way you play on the field. So give it up for yourselves as well.
And today we're giving you a sneak peek inside the HISD Police Department's Canine unit. Meet Lodi, one of our Canine officers, and see how she's keeping students and staff safe. It's a YouTube short that we just uploaded to the channel. And before we go, we want to talk to you about the Houston Promise. Now, Houston is showing up big for our kids. In case you missed it, HISD's new goal is to make sure that every school in our district is an A or B campus by August 2027. It's what we're calling the Houston Promise. Now, we know that success starts with great work in the classroom, but it doesn't stop there. That's why local businesses, sports teams, churches, nonprofits, and community leaders are signing on to the Houston Promise. They've stepped up to join the movement and adopt 64 schools for extra support, encouragement, resources, and mentorship. Now, we want to send a big thank you to all of our commitments so far. You're helping to make the Houston Promise a reality for every HISD student and for the city of Houston. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again right here tomorrow.